Welcome everybody, this is Kalthoff with Stamping to Share, and today I'm going to share with you our June kit to go from Stamping to Share, and it is using the Plentiful Plants bundle. So this is going to be a great kit to go, and I'm just going to flip the camera down and get started sharing with you everything that comes in the basic kit and in the deluxe kit. So just give me a second to do that and we'll get started. All right, so here is the basic kit to go. You might need to see what this all is about, and it's pretty fun. So it includes a full pack of 12 by 12 Bloom Where You Are Planted designer series paper, and I'll show you what all the different sheets of paper look like in just a second. It also includes the lattice paper, which is super fun, makes beautiful accents on your cards. And it includes the genial gems. They're really sparkly accents for your cards. And it also includes a Happy Stamper token. So for those of you that collect my tokens, when you get 10 tokens, you know you get a free stamp set of your choice. All right, so I'm going to set this aside. It also includes the 8 card setups, 4 cards, and then it's 4 designs with 2 cards each. So let me share with you, first of all, the beautiful Bloom Where You're Planted designer series paper. And you can fussy cut this or use the Perfect Plants die cuts to cut out the pots and the plants. I will have a lot of it pre-cut for you, but there will be also some cutting that you will need to do, some fussy cutting and some die cutting. So there we go. Let me share with you now the deluxe kit to go. That will add in the Plentiful Plants bundle. So the basic kit to go is $50 and it includes shipping and handling. The deluxe kit to go is $100. Also includes shipping and handling along with the Plentiful Plants stamp set and the Perfect Plants dies. And in addition to that, you will get 2 Happy Stamper tokens, and you will also get my customer gift of the month, which for June is the pastel pearls. I also would like you to know that we have 2 more options. One option is a $20 option for my downline members only. That's just the card setups, the PDF, and the video tutorial links. And then there is a PDF only of $10. So let's look at the cards. So the first card that you will make in this kit is this one. And I love the hanging macrame basket. It's so pretty. It's just beautiful. And it's a little note with biggest thanks. And you open it up. And of course, there's a little bit of room in there for you to write about what you're thankful for. So that is the first card in the kit to go. The second card in the kit to go is this one, and as you can see, it uses that lattice paper in the background. It's just fabulous. These plants are fussy cut from the designer series paper. You can see there's a layer down here to provide kind of a base for the plant to sit on. And of course, the genial gems are just beautiful on here. And you can vary the sentiments as I have. One says love you, one says to a dear friend, and just make it how it works the best for you. And then of course the insides are always decorated, as they always are on my kits to go. The next card is You Touched My Heart, and it is gorgeous. It uses beautiful colors. We've got smoky slate and basic gray and just jade, and I just love that combination of colors. And then again, just a strip of designer series paper to carry the theme into the inside panel of the card. And the fourth and final of these card kits to go, of the cards in my card kit to go, is this one. And again, you can see that the sentiment can be varied. And I just really love this card. So again, I'll hold it up a little closer so you can see it. Again, you can see the genial gems, and you can see that the sentiment again can be varied, and you can even vary what goes on the inside. So it's a really fun kit. I hope lots of you will partake in it. I know everybody that has purchased my kits to go in the past, they've really loved them. And it's always just a great joy to see how excited people are putting the kits to go together. Have a great day, everyone. I truly appreciate you. Bye-bye.